Hey guys, I'm here back with you. I will do some little project on replacing seat belt front driver side. So it's gonna be on 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm sorry this car is kind of dirty, but I'm still working on it, so it's gonna be not nice and clean when I'll be finished with this car. So before we start anything, please disconnect the battery. Make sure you do that, as I mentioned in previous videos. If you mess with airbags, seat belts, please disconnect battery. So now we're gonna remove this trim here, and also this trim here. So it's going from here to here. Then we're gonna start on removing this plastics all the way up there to the roof, and I'll be showing you how to remove the seat belt. So these are the clips you need to remove. Just be careful, don't break anything. To remove this plastic cover, there's a bolt number 7 socket bolt. Unscrew it and you'll be able to take whole plastic off. One end of the seat belt connects to the driver's seat. You need to remove this plastic, and then you will see there's a bolt, Torx T50. Again, it's a Torx T50. You need to remove that bolt, and so this end of the seat belt will be free to go. And as you can see, there's a plastic piece holding this seat belt, and there's a 2 taps on the both sides. Push in and you'll be able to make that plastic free to go. This retractor has only one connection, so you need to take something sharp. That's what I have, or small flathead screwdriver. Pull this pin out, and then this connection will be good to go out as well. So once you do that, take seat belt through this hole, and you're done. So just do all these steps of reversal, and you'll be good to go of replacing this seat belt. So you can like this video, share, subscribe. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you.